So I'm Rebecca with Keller Williams at Sycamore Lane Realty. I'm going to watch this video with you and let you know my thoughts on it. It's about really the cost of owning a home versus the payment and renting. So let's get started.
A lot of would-be homeowners are waiting to buy due to higher interest rates. That can be wise if the payments are simply out of reach. Yet, current rates alone should never keep you from making a move. After all, ownership can still have financial benefits. How? The real cost of owning is less than the payment, and the long-term benefits typically remain regardless of where rates are when you buy.
Okay, so interest rates are the biggest topic right now for everybody. I do agree with this. When I did my research, I found that the long-term average was 7.5%. So we're just a little bit off on that. And of course that varies. I went over a 40-year term, so they may have gone longer to see what that average is.
Back then, buyers had the same concerns that you may now. Yet those who purchased have had many opportunity to lower their payment by refinancing to lower rates and have enjoyed significant appreciation in value.
One of the great things to know is real estate really is going to appreciate and depreciate. Just like anything else in life, that they are going to have that cyclical cycle. But when you own a property like this and you appreciate, they're showing the long-term value of the property for those that bought the home and held the home, and what your equity was like that allowed you to either stay there, refinance, use the refinance money to either remodel or fund your kids' vacations, or you could sell the home and get into a different home with the equity that you've earned. So this is a really good depiction of what the potential you have to earn your own wealth through home ownership.
Those who bought in 1990 saw their home's value rise more than 3 times over the course of their 30-year loan. No one knows for sure what home prices will do in the future, but historically, values have risen an average of 5% per year.
What they're saying right now is that the average homes rise year over year 5%, and that's about what happens here in Washington County as well. Right now it's at 4%, so we're really right on that rise level, and homes are still appreciating, which is fantastic. We aren't going to really see the big market drop that everybody's expecting across the nation, because Washington County is such a desirable area. We've got people moving here to retire. We've got the new communities and economy and technology and jobs that are coming. So that really keeps our market, our area from really depreciating, which is fantastic for everybody here.
Equity can open the door to many financial opportunities in the meantime. Think of it like this. If you're paying 8% in interest, but appreciation in value provides an average of 5% per year in equity, one could say that your real cost of financing is 3%. Homeownership brings other potential benefits too. For instance, when you own a home, the interest and real estate taxes you pay may be deductible. This can reduce the real cost of your payment even further. And of course, all the while, you enjoy what the government calls owner's equivalent rent.
Yeah, one of the major benefits of owning a home is that you do get to claim your equity. You get to write off your interest. So there's a lot of benefits to owning a home and keeping it long term. So I'm in agreement with the philosophy of marry the house, date the rate, because you can always refinance when rates drop. So that's really going to be a big ticket for you guys. Just make sure that you're comfortable with the payment that you have now, that is sustainable for you, because we don't know when rates are going to drop. There's no guarantee that it's going to drop this year, no guarantee it's going to drop in 6 months, no guarantee that it's going to drop in a year or 2 years. So whatever your mortgage estimate is, and the loan estimate that shows what your monthly payment could be, make sure that that's a comfortable payment for you guys. That's what's going to really make you be able to live in your home comfortably, and of course not having to worry if your landlord's going to raise your rent or kick you out is always a nice peace of mind. Anyways, that's what I think about this payment versus cost and what's the difference. So I hope that you will share with me what you think, and let's have a discussion about this. Thanks, everybody.
Sycamore Lane Realty, your hometown living at